Robinhood. You know that name you've seen or heard about, but never really stopped to understand its true impact. Today, Robinhood might be exactly what separates those who just look at their bank statement and wonder, is this all? From those who decide to turn the tables. It doesn't matter if your balance looks small. With Robinhood, you'll see how beginners and ordinary people are using smart strategies to really start building wealth from absolute zero, changing their own financial destiny. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start with Robinhood, even if you have just $10, zero knowledge, and the fear of losing it all. I'll walk you through, step by step, from downloading the app to making your very first purchase. And in the end, you'll understand why over 25 million Americans are already in, and how you can start today. First things first, what is Robinhood? It's not a bank. It's not a game. It's a free investment app that lets anyone buy stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, without paying any commission fees. Zero. Nothing. Free. Founded in 2013, Robinhood became a phenomenon because it broke a huge barrier. Before, only those with thousands of dollars could invest. Today, you can start with a single dollar. Just $1. But hold on, Robinhood isn't magic. It won't make you rich overnight. But it can be a tool that changes everything, if you know how to use it. And that's why it's so popular. First, zero commissions. You pay nothing to buy or sell. Second, fractional shares. This means you can buy a piece of an expensive stock, like Amazon, Google, or Apple, even if you don't have enough for a whole share. Third, the interface is simple, clean, and easy to use. It looks like a social media app. Fourth, it's on your phone, 24/7. And fifth, there's Robinhood Savings, a savings account paying 4.6% interest in 2025, much more than most traditional banks. That's why young people, workers, students, even freelancers are using Robinhood to start building wealth. Because the game has finally changed. The system that used to work only for the rich can now work for you. Now watch out, Robinhood has critics. And rightly so. In 2021, during the GameStop incident, it temporarily blocked purchases of certain stocks. This caused a national uproar, congressional hearings, and one big question: can we trust it? Let's look at the most common myths, and the truths behind them. First myth, Robinhood is a casino. Truth, the app does have some gamified elements. Confetti when you buy, sound notifications, bright colors. This might encourage gambling, not investing. But the problem isn't the app. It's how you use it. If you go there for day trading meme stocks, sure, it's like a casino. But if you use it to invest in real companies, with strategy and patience, then it's a brokerage like any other. Second myth, it profits from your losses. False. Robinhood doesn't earn when you lose. It makes money through payment for order flow, selling your trades to big market makers. Is that allowed? Yes. Is it ideal? Some experts say you might not always get the best price possible. But for long-term investors, this difference is minimal. What matters is your behavior, not their business model. Third myth, it's only for speculation. Not true. You can use Robinhood to buy ETFs like the S&P 500, which is a basket of the 500 largest US companies: Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola. You buy one share of VOO or SPY and you're already invested in all of them. You can invest in solid companies, build a diversified portfolio, and even save with Robinhood Savings, earning more than at most banks. The truth is, Robinhood is a tool, and like any tool, Everything depends on how you use it. Let's walk through the real step-by-step to start. You'll see it's easier than creating an Instagram account. First, download the app. Search for Robinhood in the App Store or Google Play. Install. Open. Second, create your account. Enter your name, email, social security number, date of birth. Answer a few basic questions about your investment experience. Then confirm your identity with a selfie and ID photo. This all takes less than 2 minutes. Third, connect your bank account. Go to Transfer Money. Choose your bank, Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, you name it. Transfer $5, $10, or whatever you can. Funds usually take 1 to 3 days to appear, but after that, transfers are instant. And there's more. Often when you sign up, Robinhood gives you a free stock. It could be $10 in Apple, $7 in Tesla, $5 in Amazon. It's real. It's yours. Just check the free stock tab and claim it. Free money to get started. Okay. Your money's in the app. Now, what do you buy? Here's a strategy one recommend for 95% of beginners. First, forget get rich quick. Don't buy Dogecoin because you saw it on TikTok. Don't jump into volatile stocks on impulse. You're not in a casino. You're building wealth. Wealth is built with time, not luck. Second, start with ETFs, especially the S&P 500, VOO or SPY. Why? Because it's a portfolio with the strongest companies in the US. It means diversification, stability. It's what the rich use, but now it's accessible to anyone. Buy one share of VOO, and you're already investing in hundreds of companies. Steady, long-term growth. Buy and forget. Third, use fractional shares. You don't need $450 to buy one share of Amazon. In Robinhood, you can buy $10 of Amazon, 5 of Google, 3 of Apple. This is revolutionary. Even with $20 a week, you can start growing. Most importantly, you begin to build the investing habit. Fourth, automate. Activate dividend reinvestment. Every bit of income you earn goes right back into your portfolio, without you lifting a finger. Use recurring transfers. Set it up so $10 move over every Friday, automatically. That way, you never forget. The system works for you. Let's map out your 12-month plan, even if you start with $10. First 3 months, deposit $5 to $10 every week. Buy VOO or SPY. Ignore the daily price swings. Don't check every day. The market goes up and down. What matters is the long term. Months 4 to 6, start diversifying. Add QQQ, which tracks the tech sector, Apple, Meta, Nvidia, or SCHD, 4 high dividend paying companies. That way, you're not counting on just one sector. Months 7 to 12, bump up your deposits. Move to $20 per week. Use Robinhood savings for your emergency fund. With 4.6% interest, you're already beating most banks. And spend 10 minutes a week learning. Watch videos, read articles, understand what you're doing. If you do this, in 10 years, $10 a week can grow to over $15,000, just from interest. That's not a promise. It's math. It's consistency. What do the investing greats say? Warren Buffett, be fearful when others are greedy. Be greedy when others are fearful. But he also says, don't invest in something you don't understand. So don't buy crypto just because it's trendy. Understand it first. Susie Orman, the biggest risk isn't losing money. It's not starting. She's critical of Robinhood's gamification. And she's right. Use it with discipline. Don't become addicted. The Motley Fool recommends Robinhood for beginners, but says, after a while, consider migrating to Fidelity or Vanguard if you need more options. But to start, Robinhood is perfect. Now, security. How do you keep your account safe? Activate two-factor authentication. Never share your password. Beware of emails claiming to be from Robinhood. Many are scams. Never click suspicious links. Here are a few final tips. Don't panic sell. Markets drop, but they go up over time. Ignore sensationalist news. Your enemy isn't the market, it's yourself. Don't act on emotion. Start small, but start today. Because the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. You don't need an MBA. You don't need thousands of dollars. You just need one step. Download the app. Create your account. Buy $10 of the S&P 500. And repeat. In 5 years, you'll look back and say, that was the day everything changed. If this video helped you, leave a like, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more videos like this. Because here, we don't talk about luck. We talk about financial freedom. And it starts with a click.